your mouth.
Wash your hands, usually.
Yep.
Squeeze it like a spot.
Dude, that's embedded like almost down to the cheek.
Yeah.
I could go deeper if you want.
Squeeze harder.
Start it now.
Okay.
Liking the attitude.
No, just squeeze hard.
No, it's embedded right there.
I'm sure I felt it there.
Get to dentistry.
Rab, get in there. Sorry. I do apologise for everyone kind of being in your face here. Put your hand in the back and feel the front. I've went really deep, you can see that?
Yeah.
You hold it out. Dude, someone hold this man down.
Don't bite my finger.
This one around. Or vinegar.
No, it's not even funny. No, this is really deep, mate.
It's still funny with lemon. I've done it.
Your jumper's quite ironic.
I know.
I'll cut deeper now to get this lemon juice into my hand.
Just some forceps.
Well, that's good. Let's have a look inside. Fucking hell. This boy's falling. There you go.
I can't.
You're not cut. Dude.
You're lucky I've got this far without passing out.
I'm sorry,
the
man.
surgery and things and.
Dude, this is not going well.
So you better put the suture kit.
No.
You feel it?
Yeah.
Is that what that bump there is?
I can feel it.
You can
just
feel it.
So that's a bump just the right of it is.
No, see that's right there. It's just underneath that.
Is that what that is? That bump just to the right of the hole?
Yes. That's me moving to the side. I don't want... You sure you're alright with this, bud? Man, do you have any blood in you? You're not bleeding very much.
It's all airsoft.
Ah, wait a minute, hello, you little fucker.
You get it?
No,
swearing on
not got
camera.
it. I do apologise. Beep!
I'll do the beach.
Paul, or you come with your thing with this. I seen a bridge there, so obviously we've got it. Just clean the inside of that, please. Push.
Nerves.
Right, go.
We're nerves. Don't hit me, I'm just doing what he says.
You are an animal, by the way. You are like my god.
Oh, I can see something.
Yep.
I can see his head.
It's a boy!
No laughing, it shuts the wind up again.
Sorry, buddy.
Alright.
The body is a resilient little thing. Nurse,
Yes, doctor.
push.
Okay.
One last little. It's spinning.
Good.
Oh, come on. This poor band's gone through so much pain as it is. Is it not bad?
Hey!
Whoa!
Shit.
What is it? Take some here.
Get something on that face quick or it'll bruise and bleed like buggery.
Grab, get some Panadol.
No, I think you want some.
Yes. No,
I can code them all.
yeah.
I said probably using like a code them over.
Spray.
I don't need anything.
I know spray. I'm just...
Alright. Yep. There's up there.
Andy, can you take over this one?
You're not fucking you. I'd be crying like a bitch.
Do you have a little suture kit?
Wow. Sorry for sticking to you.
I've got one here open.
Did you like... Wow. No, it helped the swelling.
Oh, right, help the swelling. Alright.
And... Damn, you are an animal. Give this man the BB bell.
Hold on.
It's on here.
Wow.
Right. I'm keeping that.
I'll get your little jar.